Now, just for the record, have you ever made money online before this?
No, I haven't.
Do you know how to do sales,
Not at all.
copywriting? Do you have any marketing skills at all?
Nope.
Have you ever owned a business before?
Nope.
How much were you recently paid to build one of these instant app funnels for a local business?
I had one send me a $500 check recently.
Hey, wait a second. How did that online marketing newbie go from getting fired from his 9-to-5 job at Walmart, of all places, for being too lazy, to getting local businesses like this to send him $500 checks like this, just by clicking a few buttons from home and without any technical marketing or sales skills at all? Hey, it's Todd Gross here, and I'm so excited to introduce you to something really big. It's called Mobileverse Takeover. This is new, first-to-market cloud-based software that actually allows you to click a few buttons and get paid by local businesses, of course, in any niche every single month by plugging them into the hottest digital real estate market in existence right now.
The virtual real estate market is on fire right now.
We're going to talk about the metaverse. Someone paid $450,000 to be Snoop Dogg's metaverse neighbor.
No, not the metaverse, which is still many years away in general. I'm talking about a digital world that you, me, and everyone else we know are already spending 5 hours or 20% of our day-to-day lives in. And the gateway to this digital world is likely in the palm of your hands, or within arm's reach of you right now. Yep, it's called the Mobileverse. You see, if businesses want to reach their customers and thrive in today's new mobile economy, it's no longer an option. They need to own digital real estate on their customers' mobile phones. I know it sounds crazy, but pay attention for just a moment. I'll explain all. You see, major brick and mortar brands like Walmart, Starbucks, Target, BMW, Staples, Macy's, more have already figured out how to do this using a new futuristic technology invented by two former Google engineers to get shoppers to instantly add a mobile app to their mobile phones with just one scan of a QR code. And no, I don't mean just linking them to a website or menu like most businesses are already doing. I mean a full-fledged app installed on their device, boom, instantly. Right next to Facebook, right next to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and other apps that already own prime real estate on the mobile phone. That's right, it's just like that. There's no telling customers to go to the App Store to search for and download their app. Like the old days, there's no need for customers to enter their password and then wait for the app to install on their device. Nothing like that. Instead, thanks to this new technology, just one scan of a QR code and boom, one click is now all it takes to instantly get their app onto their customers' mobile phones. It's true, allowing them to then stay connected to customers 24/7 after they leave their store, of course, by sending push notifications directly to their mobile phone to promote exclusive discounts and special offers forevermore. Now that keeps those customers coming back to buy from them over and exploding their profits in the process, and you could be the person to do this for them. Yes, this will transform the old school mobile app into a powerful funnel-based marketing system with none of the friction found with traditional mobile apps. We call this an instant app funnel. And now it goes without saying that these instant app funnels have given these big brands a massive unfair advantage over the little guys, over the small local businesses in today's mobile economy. And small local businesses think they're doing the right things to catch up, but they're not. Flocking to sites like Upwork and Fiverr every day is where they're going. And they're paying anywhere from $500 to $2,000 to $7,500, even $10,000 or more to have someone build a mobile app for their business. But they don't realize a traditional mobile app is not enough to compete with the big brands anymore. It doesn't make any sense. And without an instant app funnel, they'll continue to lose customers to those big brands. and they risk being put out of business in today's mobile economy. But this is where you come in, of course. Introducing Mobileverse Takeover. That's the solution. Finally, just like Kyle and others like him, you can now be the one getting paid hundreds, thousands, and even tens of thousands of dollars for giving local businesses the advantage that they need to compete with the big brands and truly thrive in the new mobile economy. Now, using our easy point-and-click software that stamps out powerful instant app funnels for local businesses in any niche, just like the ones used by the big brands, in 5 minutes or less, with absolutely zero amount of technical or coding skills, and with over 50 ready-to-go templates in the hottest niches to choose from, and our proven copy and paste client getting email templates, yes, you could have your first instant app funnel live and sold to a local business in any niche for a big 3, 4, or 5-figure payday in as little as the next 48 hours. How about that? All without leaving the comfort of your home, doing awkward sales calls, or meeting with clients in person. Are you excited? Isn't this incredible? To tell you more about this instant app funnel is my good friend, very good friend and colleague, Peter Beattie. Now, Peter has been making an excellent income for years, helping local businesses and teaching people just like you how to do the same. Peter, take it away.
Hey, thanks for that, Todd. Hey there, my name is Peter Beattie. Now, like Todd was saying, I've been making money online since I lost my day job way back in 2009 during the global financial crisis. Now, since then, I've generated millions of dollars online for myself, my clients, and my students. And most recently, I helped my little brother Kyle make money online for the first time by creating instant app funnels for local businesses. Now, Kyle actually got fired from his day job at Walmart for being too lazy, and yes, that is a true story, but a story for another time. He got fired and he came to me for help. He wanted to learn how to make money online for the first time. Now, at first, I didn't know how I was gonna help Kyle. I mean, he had no skills, he had no clue what he was doing, but I really wanted to help him out. So I started looking for ways that he could make money online as a complete newbie with no skills, and how we could do it quickly because he was falling behind on his bills and his landlord was threatening to throw him out and his car was broken down and it needed some expensive repairs. So I started looking around and looking for ways that he could make money quickly, and I ended up finding out that Walmart, the very same company that fired Kyle, had actually been using a new type of instant app funnel to turn their in-store shoppers into repeat digital customers by getting them to download their app to their mobile phone instantly with just one scan of a QR code. And then Walmart would follow up with those customers and promote other products to them through push notifications sent directly to their phone. And I thought, if we could replicate this technology and put it into the hands of small local businesses so they could use it to make more money in the new mobile economy, well, I bet we would have something of high value that we could charge a lot of money for. So that's exactly what we did. We teamed up with Todd Gross to create the software, and I wrote a few client-getting emails that I had Kyle send out to some local businesses, and just like that, he landed his first client in less than 48 hours. And that client paid him $500 up front before he even built their instant app funnel. In fact, he didn't even know how to use the software at the time. But the craziest part of all is not that Kyle just made $500 from that one client, or the fact that he can now do that over and over again for an unlimited number of businesses. The craziest part of all is the recurring income that Kyle can now generate for himself and his future family. Because for every app funnel that he builds, he can actually upsell each of those businesses into a recurring $1,000 per month service that takes him less than 5 minutes to fulfill. All he has to do is log into their instant app funnel one time per week and take less than 5 minutes to type up a simple one single sentence telling their customers about their new special offers for that week, clicking send in the software, and he just sent a push notification to all of the people who have that business's app on their phone. So if Kyle wants to generate $10,000 per month, let's say, well, he would only need to create 10 instant app funnels for 10 different businesses. And when you do the math, that's less than one instant app funnel per month. Now let's say that Kyle wants to double those results and get to $20,000 per month. Well, simple math. Now he needs to do instant app funnels for 20 businesses, right? That's like 2 instant app funnels per month over the course of a year. Now, let's say that Kyle wants to go all out and scale this into a 7-figure agency. In that case, he would just build 10 instant app funnels per month for 10 different businesses, and he's got $1 million business. You know, wherever Kyle decides to take this is entirely up to him, and there's really no right or wrong choice. But what I'm trying to get you to see here is that Kyle now has the freedom to make that choice. He can write his own paycheck now, and he no longer has to answer to a boss. Now, this is cool, obviously, but what about you? Are you next? Because Todd and I want to invite you to start following in Kyle's footsteps starting today by joining us inside Mobileverse Takeover. Mobileverse Takeover is our complete turnkey platform that will empower you with the software, tools, and training that you need to launch and grow your new 5, 6, or even 7-figure instant app funnel agency, and do it faster and easier than you ever could on your own. Even if you're starting from scratch with no experience, just like my brother Kyle. Now, here's exactly how it works. First, you're getting immediate access to the instant app funnel building software that's going to allow you, in just a few clicks, to stamp out powerful instant app funnels for local businesses in any niche in 5 minutes or less, and with zero technical or coding skills. All you have to do is just log into the cloud-based platform, select from over 200 high-converting instant app landing page templates in the hottest niches, ready for you to deploy with just a few clicks of your mouse. Now, once you've selected your template, you can use our easy drag and drop editor to make any minor changes that you want. No design skills needed. Then, generate the in-store smart ad and then email the QR code to your client, telling them to print it out and put it in their store where their customers can see it. And just like that, your client will start converting their in-store shoppers into new app users on day one, giving you undeniable proof of the massive value that you provide to their business right away, and setting them up to be a long-term client who continues to pay you month after month and year after year. And that brings me to our amazing push notification broadcast feature. Now, this gives you a ready-to-go $1,000 per month service that you can upsell to all of your instant app funnel clients. And to deliver this service, all you have to do is just log into your client's new instant app funnel once per week, type literally one simple sentence telling their customers about their new special offers for that week, and then click send, and you're done. You've just sent a push notification to all of the people who have that business's app on their phone. How cool is that? Now, this is a recurring income stream that will take you less than 5 minutes per week to do for each of your clients, but it will give them a steady flow of customers and sales. Oh, and with the All-Star license, you can point, click, and create an unlimited number of these instant app funnels for yourself or for an unlimited number of clients. And obviously this means unlimited earning potential for you. Now, all of this combined with a host of other industry-leading features that would take us nearly an hour to cover in detail in this video makes this software one of the best money-making tools you will ever invest in for your business. Guaranteed. But we don't stop there. Because listen, we know you need help. We want you to take this software and make money with it. And that's precisely why you're also getting instant access to the Lazy App Academy. And this is going to give you a step-by-step path to follow and walk you through exactly how my brother Kyle went from losing his job at Walmart to collecting $500 checks from businesses with no prior skills or experience. And last but not least, you're also getting our conversion tested and ready to send client getting email templates written by me, Peter Beattie. Now all you have to do with these emails is simply copy and paste them and send them to dozens of businesses in any niche of your choice, and then you can sit back and watch as those businesses literally begin tripping over themselves with credit card in hand, eager to pay you big bucks for their own instant app funnel before their competition does. Now, these are the exact email templates that I had Kyle use to land his first client in less than 48 hours, despite being a painfully shy, clueless newbie. And you can begin following in Kyle's footsteps in less than 5 minutes from now by clicking the button below this video right now to join us today inside Mobileverse Takeover. And when you grab your copy today, you're going to be grabbing it at a heavily discounted price. Why? Well, we want your awesome success story so that we can share it with others who want to buy this later at a much higher price. Now, all you have to do to get one of these discounted copies is just click the link below this video right now to get started. Complete your payment, and you'll get instant access to the entire Mobileverse Takeover package at the heavily discounted price. Now, listen, this special offer is obviously extremely limited because we want to keep competition low for Kyle and our other members. So don't waste another second. Click the link below this video right now. Grab your copy of Mobileverse Takeover, and Todd and myself and the rest of the team look forward to helping you reach your goals. Peter Beattie here. Congratulations on stumbling across this video. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.